is reeling under severe floods. At the time of filing the story, 3 people were dead and over 6 lakh people affected. Entire villages have been inundated under the gushing waters. Vast tracts of farmlands and standing crops, especially at Puragaon and Mayong revenue circles of Morigaon, are underwater and are totally destroyed. Houses are damaged and people have taken shelter on the roads. At present, the river Brahmaputra is flowing above danger marks at Nemati Ghat in Jorhat district, Tezpur in Sonitpur, Guwahati and Dhubri towns. At least 54 roads and 5 bridges are damaged. People are at their wits' end.
ये बाढ़ का जो परिस्थिति है बहुत खतरनाक है। हम लोग इस बाढ़ में हमारा यहाँ का हजारों से हजारों लोग इफेक्ट हुआ है और ये लोग अभी तक जो गवर्नमेंट का जो रिलीफ है ये रिलीफ अभी तक नहीं मिला है। हम लोग चाहता है लेकिन बाढ़ जब कमेगा हम लोग तब घर में वापस जाऊंगा, लेकिन बाढ़ अभी तक नहीं कमा है। आज 3-4 दिन हो गया लेकिन बाढ़ बढ़ते रहा है।
Ace gymnast from Tripura, Deepa Karmakar has gone to Japan to participate in the Seoul Games. Her feat and many wins have inspired the youth of this tiny state to such a great degree that on any given day one can find scores of children and youth trying out various gymnastic feats in the lone stadium of the capital city Agartala. From balance beam to floor feats to vaults, the children and youth of the state are happily practicing every move of their idol. Though the facilities of the stadium has improved over the years, it is still lacking in many apparatus, but this does not deter the youth here from trying. They fall, but rise again smilingly and try again. Each of them have yearning to bring glory to the country.
मैं दीपा दीदी से देखकर कुछ सीख सकता हूँ कि ये जैसे वो जैसे प्रैक्टिस करता है मैं भी ऐसा प्रैक्टिस करना चाहती हूँ। वो जैसे बड़ा हुआ है खेलकर मैं भी बड़ा होना चाहती हूँ उसकी जैसा नेशनल कॉमनवेल्थ ये भी खेलना चाहती हूँ। मैं भी अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करूँगा।
Coach Gaurango Chandropal has great expectations from the current batch of trainees and says that Tripura will produce many Deepas in the field of gymnastics in the days to come.
না আমাদের এখন ত্রিপুরা রাজ্যের মধ্যে এখন বহুত ট্যালেন্টেড ছেলে এবং মেয়ে আছে। উদাহরণস্বরূপ দীপা কর্মকার তো আমাদের সবার সামনে আছে, সে এখনও কোচিং ক্যাম্পে আছে এবং দীপাকে দেখে আমাদের ছেলেমেয়েরা অনেক উৎসাহিত হয়েছে এবং ভবিষ্যতে অনেক আমরা প্রাইজ পাবো আশা করি।
Artists of the Northeast, though immensely talented, lack exposure. Of late, many like Laishra Meena Devi of Manipur and P.K. Roy of Tripura have started holding art exhibitions in New Delhi and other metropolitan cities, which have got them not only exposure but also buyers from other states. In the Northeast, art exhibitions, though well attended and appreciated, do not attract much sale. Well-known artist from Manipur, 56-year-old Yumnam Gunindro, laments this drawback. Awarded by the Manipur State Kala Academy in 1984, Manipur Sahitya Parishad in 2001, and from many other prestigious places including Lalit Kala Academy Kolkata, IFAX New Delhi, etc., Gunindro has participated in over 40 exhibitions in the national level. His paintings are in semi-abstract form, with women taking center stage. He says he is tired of painting unhappy situations and violent scenes and instead focuses on giving people of the state messages to work hard. In this context, his rickshawala paintings have fetched him appreciation as he tried to pass on the message of dignity of labor and need to work for one's living.
Aiki kano se maru abadai ki se semi abstract habatare aluka amna highly abstract web painting ki tudin natra ase koi ki leireba koi ki situation environment se ga sana na ba hai na kano to ke bani aduga asidana sai ki ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯗꯕ ꯎꯔꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯁꯥꯡꯕ ꯄꯦꯔꯣꯠ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯦꯕꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯀꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯎꯔꯕꯗ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯐ꯭ꯂꯨꯌꯦꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯋꯥꯛꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯔꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯗ ꯌꯨꯝꯐꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯖꯒꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ work ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯃꯤ.
Gunindro appealed to the government to help artists as painting is an expensive profession with artists needing to invest on every work before he or she can earn.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯦꯂꯦꯟꯇꯦꯠ ꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯅꯔꯨꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯁꯣꯟꯖꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯏꯟꯐ꯭ꯔꯥꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯛꯆꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯃꯣꯇꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯠ ꯕꯥꯌꯔ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯟꯁꯔꯁꯤꯞ ꯐꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯦꯟꯇꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯎꯐꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯒꯦꯂꯔꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯛꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯦꯂꯔꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯄꯥꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛꯇ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯣꯖ ꯇꯧꯗꯕ ꯁꯣ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯥ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯗꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯥꯡꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯔ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯗꯤꯕꯦꯂꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯕ ꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ
The beautiful cane and bamboo crafts of Assam and the state's delectable cuisines are a great attraction for visitors at the Dilli Haat, New Delhi. In the ongoing fair, one can buy varied items from colorful lamps, keychains, chairs, bangles, baskets, fruit baskets, magazine holders and so on at reasonable rates ranging from Rs 30 to Rs 1500 at the stall run by Mr. Dinesh from Borpeta. The artisan runs an unit in the state wherein many craftspeople are employed to make these crafts. The artisan, who has participated in exhibitions all over the country from Srinagar to Goa, has been helped by the state and central government departments. His crafts drew many buyers.
मैं यहाँ पे स्टॉल लगाने के लिए आया हूँ जो मेरे को दिल्ली हाट में दिल्ली टूरिज्म से मेरे को अलॉट हुआ है और मैं वहाँ पे अपने आसाम में 10 से 12 लोगों को रोज़गार देता हूँ। मेरा एक मैन्युफैक्चर है, पूरा एक इंडस्ट्री मैंने लगा रखा है वहाँ पे जिसमें मैं केन और बैम्बू से बने हुए प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करता हूँ जो इको फ्रेंडली है, हाइजेनिक है, ठीक है, जिस पे असम गवर्नमेंट भी और भारत सरकार भी वो रिबेट देती है।
मैं सोशल वर्कर और लड़कियों को ट्रेनिंग वगैरह दे के मैं काम वाम करवाती हूँ। आज मैं दिल्ली हाट आई हुई हूँ यहाँ पर कुछ ये चीज़ देखने के लिए कि क्या चीज़ क्या बन रही है। अभी मैं असम स्टॉल पर हूँ जहाँ पर मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखी जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी। अब मैं यही आगे चाहती हूँ कि ये बहुत बढ़िया इन्होंने अपना जो कर रखा है ना, सामान बनाया, बैग्स हैं, सेट हैं, वो मैं आगे इनसे देख के मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। मैं आगे इसकी ये भी ट्रेनिंग देना चाहती हूँ।
The cuisines of the state too, like cuisines of many other states of the northeast, use bamboo shoots in a big way. It is pertinent to note here that under the Bamboo Mission, the government encourages entrepreneurs of the northeast to optimize their usage of this abundantly available raw material. Training programs are conducted by the Cane and Bamboo Mission even in remote villages where unskilled and unemployed youth are encouraged to learn cane and bamboo crafts. Then there are nurseries wherein one can get bamboo saplings so as to cultivate this plant with great potential.